Hello everyone. This is good. It is just 30 minutes past 4 o'clock East African time. Those guys who were there in the London session, we say this was a sell zone, and indeed it maintained its area zone. So it's been a great day, by the way. Although this trade was very dangerous here, guys. I welcome everyone that is just joining in with Money in the Bank. Yeah, we're just waiting to see this 5 minutes out is just going to be closing because we would love to see the market continuing pushing to the downside because we still have some liquidity here. Sorry, guys, that was during the morning. So if you're here chilled with Money in the Bank, we're going to be taking some other sell setups there. So we can sell on two gold, guys. Let's sell this guy here. We saw this guy from here to here. Our stop loss is at 43.93. So katubere gumite. You know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it. A round of applause to those guys that are joining in with me in the bank. Representing, you know how we do it. Muriwa, batulumi otulu. So, Money in the Bank everywhere, Money in the Bank live with you guys, New York session. Welcome to Trading Live with Money in the Bank, guys. You know how we do it. I congratulate everyone that took those sales from the first time that we talked about them. So it is Money in the Bank here. You know how we do it. Team no sleep, guys. We already taken that sale, guys. So just better join onto the winning team. This what it is. This just 34 minutes past 4 o'clock New York time, you know. We are selling again this guy here. We're already into that trade. So if you're still there, mingling and twinkling, man, we are already in. We are just traders. Our stop loss is just right above there. So our stop loss is around 43.94. That's where our stop loss is. So join the winning team or you'll be the winning team. Money in the Bank here representing from FX Voladas. You know how we do it. All this guy just broke below here, came down here, came and retraced back there. So we are eyeing for these sales. We are already into these sales, guys. So if you're just joining in, we are already into this sale, guys. We are already into that sale. We are targeting about 200 pips to the downside here. So if you're just out there just joining in, this is Money in the Bank because this is about 500 pips. So if you get 200 pips, make sure you bank because gold is just safe. And remember to use small lot sizes. This is for education purposes, not for. This is not a financial advice. From our entry, we have already gotten about 100 pips. So you know how we do it, guys. Gold is heavy. We are heavy. We are champions. You know how we do. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. We are shining. We are setting this guy, guys. 39 minutes. You can add in some customer said if you just joined. Yeah, the market is just dropping. This is a range of 500 pips from here to here. Yeah, but it's already in 200 pips, so you can always bank. That's 100 and something pips. Target is about 500 pips, so it's always good that you join the winning team, guys. We are setting gold, guys. So if you're there and you just joined, we are already in 200 pips. So you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Tetulina gwekiga tetulina gwekyenkana naye ffe tuli bakuli ba katale mwe batuzaala. So let's see how New York is just gonna be and giving or distributing for us with pips, guys. So this is 5 minutes time frame where we are looking at the market. We are already in this guy. So let's see. Because for us, we're getting from up here. Those in the London session, those ones who were on TikTok live with me, I told you that was a sell position, sell zone. So, and the market indeed sold. Yeah, the market has already pumped about some good pips here from here. It's about 700 pips. So let's watch and see if the market can really continue deepening down. So welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone that is just joining in the bank here. You know, we're pushing. Let's grow our YouTube. Just subscribe, just like, just follow. Keep your comments coming in, guys. This is what it is. We are in the markets forever. Welcome to the winning circle, guys. You know how we do it. Yeah, 12, they are joining with me in Money in the Bank here. You can keep your comments coming in. You can keep it interactive. You can keep it sharp. Yeah, that's how we do it. Welcome, guys. Money in the Bank here, representing from Kampala, Uganda, Fawasinga. You gotta keep your messages coming in. Let's see what the market has, because we have like a small structure here. But from here to here, we have already achieved about 100 pips. So, we are still chilled in the market, guys. Market is just going to be dropping more pips here and there. Today's Asian low has to be taken out. Regardless we move, Asian low must be taken out. It is what it is. Welcome, guys. Trading live with Money in the Bank from FX Volatus. You know how we do it. You know how we plan everything. Everything IRA. If you want a proper fix, call me. Oh, we keep it real here. We keep it simple. We keep it chilled, niggas. You know how we do it. Money in the Bank, Castavera, Katale. Whenever we are on the set, guys. You know how we do it. We don't give it out, niggas. This is just 44 minutes past 4 o'clock New York time, you know. In East Africa, it is 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's the evening here. Today, friend is from wherever you're from. I welcome you guys. Those who are cheering with money in the bank. You know how we do it. You know how we do it, guys. You know how we shine and rhyme. Yeah, let's keep this interactive, guys. Let's. It's short time. It's short time. We live in the jungle of the markets. Nobody can be like us. Nobody can be like you guys. We just keep it locked in. Because when you look here, it's already about from our entry, it is 160 pips. So keep on banking, guys. Because the market is it's all about getting a few points here and there so that muveregumite. Let's get committed to the charts and the charts will pay us, guys. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. Fresh from Uganda, Kampala. This is how we rhyme. This is how we do it. Pola and Pola. Pola and Pola vibes, you know. Money in the bank here, guys. What's up, people? What's up, everybody? Yeah, we're setting gold, guys. We're setting guy. We are keeping it sharp. Looking at the 500 pip range here. Low gold today has been choppy, choppy, very choppy, choppy. Just you know how it is, man. You guys know how it behaves, man. You know, yeah. But we keep rocked in. This is where we live. This is our jungle. You can see all these weeks to weeks moves. So it is not straight. It has been held the whole day. It moves a few pips, trips, moves, holds. So we still have liquidity here. We have this liquidity which was created. Then we have this Asian liquidity. So we expect the market to roll down, more down, so that we can see what it does, man. It is what it is. Raw data, raw everything. So money in the bank here from Kampala, Uganda. Yeah, we are East Africa, guys. We East Africa, guys. No wahala, no wahala. Just keep procting, guys. Teri kupapa. Papa katalenga kakunyiga ball. So, cause man, we've already banked about 100 pips from our entry. You can see the market is just retracing back to this structure. If this structure is respected, then we continue to the downside, guys. So, bam, that's how the market does its work. All about patience, all about consistency, all about running the streets. Yeah, welcome to Live Trading with Mind Bank. Yeah, that's a round of applause to Money in the Bank, you know. Now we do it when we look at UBP USD. It is just moving down because we had it from H2 time frame. Those ones who were in the New York session, I mean the London session, we were here seated onto this market here. We say the market, we need it to go down. Then this kind of first pulled inside, and this one, now you can see New York is just pushing to the downside. Those guys who were just chilled here with Mind the Bank, it's already running. You can see, guys, it's already running here. So it's running like in $68 here. So That is pound USD, but our main purpose is gold. Gold is our pair. That was a sell zone, and the market is just pumping. Those who were with me on the New York time, I mean in the London time, we discussed about that trade before we left our TikTok live. So you can see the market is just this market is just gonna come here. It has to sweep out this liquidity here. I'm very conscious about that. Or else the market is just gonna be consolidating the way you see it is stripping here. It comes, goes back. So the market is just has been consolidating throughout the day. I don't know, but that's how the market has been today. Because we wanted to take it up to this level here from where the market yesterday had a run. We had a very serious run when Donald Trump tweeted on his tweet about the Iran getting both of them coming to an agreement. I don't think they came to an agreement. Still a lot of geopolitics taking place, man, guys. So all we need to know is just securing our accounts and getting and we keep on protecting our accounts, guys. Yeah, I'm trading on 2 FTMO, one step challenge. That's what I'm trading. And I'm also trading with FX5 on a live one of 50K. So we are pushing with these prop firms. They have to give us real good monies, guys. So you just need to keep it healthy and smart. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. You can like our page. You can share and subscribe to your friends and your communities. We keep it low key. Yeah, that's what we are looking at 5 minutes time frame. Love to see this market breaking its lows that has been created, and damn, we dump it like crazy. So let's see what the market has for us, guys. Because we already sold for about 130 pips. Remember to always use small lot sizes. Small lot sizes matter, guys. Market is running back into its entry. So those guys who haven't banked yet, market can come for you easily. You can look at that aggression. So if you're still in, cut that trade, guys. If you're still in, cut that trade. Because it's just 53 minutes past 4 o'clock. Let's look at H2 time frame. Damn. Because see, there was a support zone here. That's why the market is reacting back to the upside. That means there's still some upward potential. We look at 30 minutes time frame. We have a support zone here, which the market broke and came back, pushed down. So if you look technically here, we still have some structures here on the 30 minutes time frame. So Let's watch and see. This guy closed without a week. Those are dangerous candles, eh? Yeah, we are still looking at gold, guys. We are still looking at gold, It is a Tuesday, how gold has been since morning, eh? It's just been moving so slow. Very dangerous compared to how it was moving the previous week and this and yesterday. Gold was massive, eh? It was just pumping good pips. But today it decided to consolidate, how it is, man. Let's keep on watching him. Because we had entered here, it gave us 100 pips. Then you can see now it has just flipped like crazy. So let's see what it's just going to be doing here. Let me just remove this so that people we can get better action, price action of the markets. Because when you look at this market, we still have some liquidity floating here. So what's the purpose of because this market didn't sweep out this liquidity. It was trapping traders, leaving them more just there. So let's see what the market has for us here, guys. Because here we have a resistance zone here. This one is like a resistance zone. If the market closes above it, just know it's just continue shooting. Because when you look at 30 minutes time frame, it came back to this structure here. So and we still have like a support zone there or 30 minutes time frame. So let's wait and see what the market has. These days, just don't need to make a lot of pips. Put your trade 50, 20, 100 pips, you're out. Because when you overstay into this market, it can always press you for no reason. So all you need is simple approach of the market. This is 15 minutes time frame and it's 58 minutes. This guy doesn't close above here. We might continue to collect this Asian liquidity here. So let's just be patient and we see because this was Asian low. We are just catching a glass of water here. Water is life, guys. Let's look at 3-minute time frame. The market is just ranging crazy shit. On 3-minute time frame, we'll be just needing a close below here or a close above here. But we are still within the range. Let's see how the new candle is just gonna be opening when you look at H1 time frame, man. So there I came back to this zone. Okay. Let's see how 15 minutes is just gonna be crossing, guys. So we just wait and chill and see. Yeah, to my members who are watching with me, Money in the Bank here. Tulina okulemezaamu egaali paka when we are those billionaires. So you can see this guy has just closed above that structure. So what do you expect? The continuation. And it's 5 o'clock. Let's see how each one closed. It closed bullish. So let's see. We have some clean range on the left side. So from that here we have a pip range of about 180 pips. So let's see the market's reaction there. Buno liquidity bwena bwe yaterese wano bwena abugyeko katulabe ekyazaako awo. Of course, 15 crossed above this structure here, which it just made. Let's see if we can get a retracement maybe here. If we have a retracement there, that means if this area, this support zone stays intact, that means the market is just going to be continuing to the upside. So when you look at 3 minutes time frame, it's just still there, chilled. This guy came and closed above here. So let's see what the market makers for us. And there is this resistance level here. So on a 3-minute time frame. So that market is just very bullish. Very bullish. $3 is just pushing. We take a buy here, how many pips were there? Pip range of 300 pips. Chai. On 30 minutes, this is a support zone. You pray around there, it can always fire you. You can see this trade it just came from the structure here of 30 minutes time frame. This candle closed without a wick. So you can see the big reverse of the market maker just consolidating within the range. So I just think that market is still popping up. You can see the reaction onto that zone. The reaction is big. So you can't easily just take trades now. Because when you look at 5 minutes time frame, you can see this guy has also, this boy has closed without a wick there. So definitely he has to first pull back down here maybe within this zone here because this boy has closed above here. Let's see what he's planning on doing. Because when you look on 15 minutes time frame, this boy has reached that support, that resistance zone. So let's see his reactions. When you dive into minute 3, the guy is already kubalinga summer. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. This guy has no wick. And you know candles without wicks, what they do. They flip in you and you cry like a footless chicken. Because when you look at H2 time frame, this guy has come from this support zone. Tapped, New York rejected it. That's why you see there's some momentum to the upside. Let's watch and see. This guy crossed above that support zone. We still have a range of about how many pips here? Let's buy on 2 gold, guys, for this range. There is a pip range of about like 200 pips there. So we have already entered that trade. We have entered the buy. So if you're still there, enter the buy. My stop loss is exactly here at the wick. That's where my stop loss is. 43.86. It's removing about 30 pips from where I entered from. 33 pips. Yeah, it's ripping up. This is what it is. This is what it is. We entered from this zone here. Let's see what the market has for us, guys. Remember, it is New York and the market is aggressive. So 100 pips in, just take. If you keep there, the market will always humble you. So you don't always want to be humbled by the market. We always want to take what belongs to the Bantu. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Damn. How many pips are those? 100 pips, guys? Bank. Feel free to bank, guys. Cheers, you guys. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it with money in the bank. No, when I tell you to buy and you refuse, pips zaingideda. Pips chukumi zaingideda with one standard. This is my 1K. I just take my trade top. So the market is just like that, guys. If you haven't banked, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. For us, we just grasp a few pips. You're good, kawa. Because from here, our entry, that's 100 pips. 100 pips with a 0.1, that's $100. So, oba oyagala ki mu katale? Yeah, too many people want to call comment over here. Have you taken a trade? You can put it into comment section, guys. I just see a beer to show you the directions of the markets and how we execute the markets. So, fetetulina pressure. But yeah, way to go, ololo, ololo. Because it has a clean range here on a 3-minute time frame. So we have already banked these 100 pips. So if you're still there, don't tell us that we didn't tell you to bank. Mm. You're always just only looking for 100 pips, guys. So you're there looking for 500 pips. That's not us. If you, we banked here 100, we have banked here 100. That's 200 pips, guys. If you be there waiting for, now you can see this inverted candlestick. So very dangerous candlesticks. You can see that's the market powering down like crazy. Let's just wait and see if he didn't bank. Just need 100 pips, guys. That's how we do it. 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 Polar and polar. Polar and polar vibes. Yes, here in 15 minutes. You can see this support. I mean, this resistance has really held its power. So, shobora tukadusemu mangu. We still have this support, but the market violates and breaks below. Just know that we are coming down for this big liquidity down here. We have liquidity there, we have liquidity here. So all we need is just to be alert in the market. Listen, comply, and everything is just gonna be kawa. Subscribe to Money in the Bank. I like the page. Let's run the streets, guys. Teyagambayo. But we belong to the Bantu. If this guy breaks its high, just know that it will be able to achieve that guy there. So let's wait and see. It's just 15 minutes past 5 o'clock. Market is just choppy, choppy. Eh? So if you play around it wrongly, it will chop you and chop your account. Do we belong to the bounty? Not chop, not chop, not chop, not chop, not chop, not chop, not chop. Can see how the market is just even very, very choppy, even on the lowest time frame. Let's look at minute one here. You can see even how minute one is just choppy, choppy. No straight candles, no what. It's like Boko Haram. Market is just very choppy, very choppy. Goes in 100 pips, comes 100 pips, goes in 200 pips, comes back 200 pips, man. Kwegamba Katari Kali so crazy and dull today. Compared to yesterday, man, yesterday it was like a massacre. I think this level is just being respected here. Let's wait and see. No pressure. No market pressure. We have already banked about 200 pips. So let's wait and see. Bajja kuba nga batula nga bagamba those guys started streaming nga tulaba. Mark my words. You reach here when you find there are like 10,000 of people streaming live with money in the bank. All we do is just wanting to win, 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 win. Winning is part of us, so yeah. Trading from 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what the market has for us, guys. This guy's just has bullish momentum here. You can see these rejections here. This guy closes above here. Should be able to attain some pips above there. What pips ngachikuma video? Just a few. That's just closed about there. Bang bang, this love is on fire. Still have a resistance here. Respected, respected. 15 minutes, does this. Yeah, we are chopping up. Eating the market with chopsticks. Guys, let's take to gain Brexit high here. We're going to take a buy and I'll stop. Buy, guys. Let's buy the market, guys. I mean, stop loss has to be minimal. Let your stop loss be 43.94. That's your stop loss. Damn. Let's see what the market has. Just going to throw me out. That many pips. From here to here. That's 50. 52. Let's go. That I belong to the banter. Our stop loss is very minimal here. So we took the trade here. It is just pushing. It is just pushing. Yeah. That's 50 pips. Let's see 100 pips. 100 pips will be here. If it reaches at 44.10, just close. That is 100 pips. How many pips are these? Do we belong to the band? Love is on fire. I'm on fire. Can just see a push over about this was how many pips? Just reached 64 pips. Aiming for 100 pips. Let's see. This was our entry. This is our stop loss, guys. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. We belong to the Bantu. You can see how the market is just runs, pauses, comes back, shakes you around. Yeah, that's how the market behaves, guys. All of this win, 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 no matter what. Got my dollars for sure. I'm getting on 200K FTM more, guys. So I'm using TradingView for your analysis, guys. So let's go. So many pips. That is 30. That's 60. I belong to the mountain. Bam. How many people are with me? Anyone has just formed. You can bank your pips, guys. Bank your profits. So this guy is just going to come back here. That's to drop back. Take profits, guys. Angatoto take profit wamanyi. Wali mugwe. Sinze. This love is on fire. I'm on fire. Bing man is love on fire. Exactly, that's what it has done. Banged here. We have already bagged about 80 pips on those this trade. We entered here. Our stop loss was here. Then we are out. Sell the market is running. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. No chill for the week. You can see how it bags 100 pips and damn. And first pulls, because today is just arranging the guys. Can range in you and you feel like, oh my god. That was 140 pips. That's good for you. Oh, yo. 150. Might reach at 40, 44.26. That's how the market operates, guys. So that's how God is just behaving, guys. So it's just closing in with 1 hour live streaming here on YouTube with you guys. Yeah, we're gonna be ending the live stream because we have already captured our enough pips, guys. To those guys who have captured their pips with me, I love to post you guys. Exactly 1 hour into the live streams here, guys. So shout out to everybody. Cheers to everyone. Let's run these markets like never before. Yeah. Silent majority. We belong to the banter.